In this video, I will show you how to fix Instagram music not working. First of all, open Instagram, then go to Profile. Then in the top right corner, you will see 3 lines, click on it. Then scroll down below until you find Account Type and Tools, click on it. Here, make sure that your account type is not business account, it may limit your access to content. Try to choose personal account or digital creator account from here. Then one more thing that you can do is go to Play Store, search for Instagram, make sure that your Instagram is up to date. One more fix to this is to go to Settings, scroll down until you find Apps, click on it, then go to App Management, scroll down until you find Instagram, click on it, then go to Storage Uses. Here click Clear Cache. Then after doing all of this, if your Instagram music is still not working, try deleting Instagram and reinstalling it. And if it still does not work, then go to Instagram, then go to your profile. In the top right corner, you will see 3 lines, click on it. Then scroll down below until you find Help, click on it. There go to Report a Problem, then click Report Problem without shaking. Press Include and Continue. Here type out, "Hi Instagram, the music feature on my account is not working. I have tried switching accounts, clearing cache, updating and reinstalling the device, but nothing has worked. Could you please fix the problem and help me get access to the full music library? Thank you." And press Send. After some time, your issue will be fixed. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment down below. Thank you for watching.